Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk Hofmann Designs. Now, Hofmann Designs was started back in 2009, and to my knowledge, he's one of the first guys to really start doing carbon fiber for Harley-Davidsons. He may not be the first, but he's the first one that I am aware of. So then fast forward to 2017, they start coming out with CNC product. Basically, all this is revolving around that performance bagger space. So no matter if you're building a race bike or you're building a street bike, this is gonna be the stuff you're looking for. Something like this rear fender here can shave 4 pounds off your bike. And in the world of shaving weight off of motorcycles, 4 pounds is a big deal. But they offer a complete line of carbon fiber. Like I said, we have a rear fender here, all the stock mounting holes. This will bolt right up to your bike. We have a couple of front fenders. We have a shorty and then like a full wrap. So basically, if you're building a race bike, you'd probably want to use that shorty fender because you don't need the full coverage fender. If you're gonna have a street bike, you probably want the full coverage just to keep the dirt and grime and stuff off your motorcycle. Over there on the far end, we have the lower triple tree guard for a road glide, and then we have a dash panel. So you can really start to like pick apart your bike and replace all these parts with carbon fiber, really giving it that racy look. If you're going to the track, you're probably just gonna leave it alone. If you're on the street, maybe you'll paint some sort of design on it, but don't paint over all the carbon fiber, it just looks cool. As far as billet stuff, they've really expanded here, all the way up to wheels. We have a small selection here. We're looking at floorboards, gauges, risers. The risers, you're gonna come in 8, 10, and 12-inch variations. You can see they have just a touch of pullback to them. All the billet stuff is gonna be available in like a clear anodized or a black. Gauges right down there on the end. Obviously, if you have a road glide and you're moving those handlebars up, you gotta move those gauges up, and they give you the nice set of anodized gauge pods there. Coming this way, the plate we have there, that's those riser relocators. So if you have a batwing style fairing, i.e. Street Glide Ultra, you wanna put T-bars on it, you have to move those risers away from that fairing to clear, and that just makes it really easy. You bolt the plate to your stock riser location, then you remount the risers onto the plate, and voila, T-bars on your batwing fairing. Coming this way, we have billet floorboards and billet pegs, which that in itself isn't really a game changer. There's a fair amount of billet stuff out there, but on the design, I've never seen a design like that. So Hofmann really kind of set themselves apart with the design there. It's slotted, but yet it has the blocks machined into it to keep giving you some traction. Not only do they have the pegs, like I said, if you're running a street bike, you have pegs and board option there, so you can match up the passenger pegs. If you have any questions about any of the Hofmann Design stuff, looking to make that bagger just a little bit more performance, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other writers' reviews and more specs about all of this product. Still have questions? Go ahead and reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.